Halo.
Oh ya udah, nggak apa-apa tempatnya emang si Bu Yati sama Mama minta tolong gantiin spray Jakarta dong.
Selamat pagi di Jakarta. Good morning there.
Bantal kepalanya ada 2, bantal gulingnya 2. Bantal kepalanya jadi semua totalnya ada 4, bantal gulingnya 2.
Mana ya? Have a great day all.
Ada coba lihat aja, nggak tahu.
Udah mandi apa belum?
Coba aja.
Aku udah. Di sini udah jam 4:30 sore, guys.
Ya kan besok Sabtu kan ya pergi aja. Lah terus gimana itu si anak-anak siapa yang jemput?
I'm getting lots of pimples di sini.
Nah terus sampai tidur nanti pulang sama siapa?
Yeah, thank you very much. Sorry, do you have any chili flakes or chili pepper?
I have chili flakes and
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
Iya soalnya tiket nonton kalau misalnya Tante Bego
Hai Pak Mitu.
Soalnya tiketnya siapa itu benar-benar udah terbatas, nggak bisa lagi. Itu aja sih. Nih.
Sebentar, nggak bisa. Ntar kedengeran.
Ya mama ikut. Ya mama.
Halo. Oh jam 6.000. Jam 4:30 udah pada join sih. Sorry. Jam pagi. Aduh, nggak tahu deh ngomong apaan sih. Can I try?
Iya tapi ya kan Elin kan nggak bisa kan. Akhirnya udah diganti sama temannya kakak. Soalnya ada sebagian temannya kakak belum diundang.
Asem banget.
Udah langsung di
Jam 6:30 pagi. Oh my god.
soalnya itu kan
Iya, makanya aku sebel banget, pengen marah.
itu kan pertama dengerin dulu.
Sunung.
Nanti aku telepon lagi nanti.
regular or green iced tea?
Di sini jam 4:30 sore sekarang. Halo. 6.000 orang ngapain jam segini? Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Chili and then the chili order.
Thank you. Perfect. Good. Thank you. Aku lagi di mall. Aku lagi di The Grove. Di sini mallnya lucu banget. Kangen banget sama Kenzie, parah. Oh, it's the chicken wings?
Yeah.
Just put it here, please. Thank you. Thank you. menemani aku makan judulnya. Amin. Oh my god, Mam, gila. Gila, ini enak banget. Coba aja. Aku pengen nyobain tanpa sambal dulu. It's so good. Enak banget. I know, Sokjin sama Namjoon juga lagi di LA. Aku pas tahu mereka di LA kayak pengen lihat sekeliling. My mom and yeah.
It's like these permanent stands, everything's still like there's walk ups.
Aku lagi makan di restoran sushi gitu di sini. Ini chicken wings, gila, chicken wingsnya enak banget. Jadi aku belum chat Dedi. Katanya pagi kok, ngapain sih?
Kan harus makan dulu.
Di sini jam 4:30 sore.
Anything else I can order for you? Good. What would you like? So 2 orange of the shake
Gak ketemu Cipung karena dari LA ke New York 7 jam guys naik pesawat, jauh. Aku belum makan dari pagi. Crab salad? Yeah, here. Yeah, just here. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, aku tuh ke Amerika sebelum Amerika baju laki-laki sama dokter. Gue di sana kasih banyak makan steak, daging apa segala. Tapi alhamdulillah kebanyakan makanan sehat dibanding kita kan jarang ketemu steak kan. Ya kan hampir nggak pernah selaku makan steak. Cuma yang ngasih nggak makan.
Apa? Ayamnya bukan masih keras, emang keras. And chicken wings. Blue ribbon. Blue ribbon.
like so long to get it. And I'm like,
Takguji Blue Ribbon.
Cobain ya.
Hmm?
Cobain. Aja.
But it's cucumber. Aku lagi dapet.
Dikit aja cuma ini aja dikit aja.
Nakaki. Yeah, whatever.
Ini aman. Makan
Ya, susah. I don't really like it. Di sini jam 4:30 sore.
she gets that, she'll be set. She don't even need to do the full acting school. I think, you know, it's like literally got up.
Embernya patah.
Yeah, I know. So I was like, I have a bunch of items from here. Like, big, and she was like, next, big. And I was like, no, now, you know what I mean? So. But there's no lack of motivation. Like, we're not motivated to, like,
Let's try the sushi.
it's been like a lot of girls there, which, like,
Right.
yeah. So, yeah. We're both very similar in that, like, we're like, but I was really the major, like, we together. She's great. It's, I lived I don't like her. I don't like her friends about it. I don't think she does either. That's fine. Yeah, I like her best friend. Her best friend is like so cute. She's like Sarah. She's
Thank you, my friend.
She's right here.
It was a full nap.
I met her on Facebook.
Okay. Ano?
So sweet. But her friends are here, like not crazy about play basketball. Others are like, I don't care about either, so I know we're not gonna have going into like
Dia udah pernah makan.
Well, it's kind of nice, like, all together, and then you have your separate friends.
jalan-jalan lagi. Ke Target lagi. Perfect. Thank you. Can I refill this, please? Thank you. Rizky boro-boro udah bangun, dia baru tidur. Thank you.
For me personally, I don't really that's not about me.
Right, that's for
No, I get it. But I was just hoping like singer was like they never say anything about
How's everything tasting?
that. It's just like it's just fun. It's funny. It's like a funny thing that
Dia sama Mas Hanung misah dari aku. Mereka pergi ke Warner Bros Studio. Aku nggak tertarik ke sana, jadi kita bisa aja.
Ini mau ke Universal, kamu sendirian kalau nggak
Kayaknya aku mau ke Universal kan, tapi kayak ngapain ya, aku berdua doang sama ibu.
pasti yang main cuma kamu doang.
yeah, no, I
it's just not anything.
Kalau nanti yang mainan. Sama abunya aja berdua.
Oh my god, please stop bilang aku makan pakai tangan kiri, ini pakai tangan kanan. Saya ngerti mirror kamera nggak sih?
You're telling me a lot of money.
Di sini semuanya serba mahal. Kayak mahal deh. Thank you. Iya. Aku agak mengcoklat sama dunia. Ya di sini udah mask free, udah nggak pakai masker. Mami, it's all yours.
Ini aja.
Sekarang nggak bisa. Aku kalau ibu nggak mau, aku masih pengen sushi.
She's being very about it, like so much more putting herself out of it. She knows that she's not actually like I would be
Aku penasaran ini apa ya?
I mean, it's good he's not here, so it's totally separate. Like physically, it's totally separate.
Take our camera.
I mean,
sini beda 14 jam sama di Indo. Di Indo 14 jam lebih cepet. Jadi sekarang di Indonesia udah jam 6 pagi ya. Jam 6 pagi tanggal, jam 7 pagi tanggal 16.
Ajuman.
Tanggal 16. Di sini masih tanggal 15.
I saw it. Oh, I my hair.
I don't know, I'm breaking out in here.
Some girl is right.
I have like a few pimples
We had to Google one of them.
and my skin is also have some texture. Di sini sama di sini. And it's so itchy di part ini. Kayak gatal banget dari kemarin aku garuk-garukin, I don't know why.
Kayaknya kita mesti siapin CX dulu deh. Bawa kompor ke sana, jadi barang-barangnya kita masukin ke dalam kompor.
Ntar kita tanteng-tanteng koper ke Target.
Enggak apa-apa.
Mom, are you sure?
She loves it. But she's just like so funny.
Kan kalau Target itu kita bisa masukin ke itunya,
I asked her, I'm like,
trolinya.
oh, you love it. You get the rundown.
Ya udah, biar malam-malaman.
It's fine, I'm funny, so I'll show you the people love me. What's what she says before? It's like, people love me, I'm funny. And I was like, you literally crack me up.
I don't know, cause I feel like they have more apa ya?
In the car, and she's like,
Aku nggak tahu sih what's the problem sampai akhirnya kulit aku jadi agak begini. Padahal sebenarnya kalau dibilang air mereka tuh jauh lebih bersih daripada air kita. Cause like you can drink their water. Kita bisa minum air wastafel, bisa minum air di sini bisa diminum gitu loh. Walaupun aku juga nggak berani. Tapi aku nggak ngerti deh.
it was the best thing ever. She just like, I don't know, I wish I had your coffee too. Like, she just like,
Bu, nanggung banget, 2 lagi.
Jadi aku makan sayur aja kenyang. Taruh di box aja.
Excuse me.
I sit up at night,
Sorry.
like, I go to stand in the morning and I'm like,
Excuse me.
I want to take her everywhere.
Lagi pada sibuk. Nggak deh. Di sana lebih panas gak? Iya. Jadi pas aku baru nyampe panas banget kayak 37 derajat. 38 derajat Celcius. Tapi bedanya kalau di sini tuh nggak humid. Jadi kalau di Jakarta kan panas, tapi tuh kayak ngelekep gitu loh panasnya, kayak bikin lepek.
Ini panas-panasan nggak bau matahari.
Nggak, sumpah di sini kayak nggak bikin bau matahari, and then udaranya juga bersih, nggak ada polusi. Terus juga tapi sekarang lagi ini lagi dingin, mulai dingin, kayak anginnya udah mulai dingin.
Ya kan? Ingat nggak waktu kita kondisinya dalam satu lift nggak ada sama sekali bau.
Mana? Mana ya abang-abangnya? Capek banget.
Wow.
It was like, this iron on her,
Excuse me. Sorry. What? Aku dikacangin anjir. Sorry. Can I have box to take away the...
Of course, yeah. Do you want the check as well?
Yeah, sure.
Great.
Tadi, ntar aja. Enggak, yang belakang ibu. Tadi aku panggil, terus dia liatin aku doang. Kayak aneh banget. Ini yang lewat. Padahal ngeliatin aku. Thank you. Yeah. Mom. Pakai punya buat? Pakai punya buat? Yeah, sure. Di sini kalau takeaway-nya sendiri, jadi kalau misalkan ada makanan sisa gitu, kita yang bungkus sendiri. Kita tinggal minta box. Ya udah kasih aja. Ntar udah di-include sekalian biasanya. Yep. It's actually it's only like ini kecil banget sebenarnya. Adik. Tipsnya berapa? Tipsnya 20% dari harga, Mas Wid. Ribet banget di sini, apa harus tip? Harus tip.
Sini aku itu.
Itu apaan ya?
I'm good, I'm fine, but it was good to the boys. It was nice enough to
Here's a box for you.
Yeah, thank you. Mom, here. The sushi.
Gak apa-apa lah jadi satu.
Ya, aneh dong.
like this last weekend, like just being able to like go to Newport today, I was like,
Aduh, begah banget. Oh, that looks good. Aduh, aku
yeah, it was fine.
tuh kan, Dedi udah nyampe, ada yang komen.
Tapi dia nyampe di hotel, easy. Tadi pada makan pasti. Ya kemarin kan kita makan dulu.
No, I can't do that.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I got, look, there was a bunch of room ties.
So I need to sign here? Do I need to sign or it's
Just sign it if you'd like, you know. Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
here? Okay, thank you. Mom, sign here. Sign your sign. No, I can't. I forgot.
They were baby ones. They were on the shore. They were like in the wind. They weren't in the bridge.
Ah!
They could take you. Or they were like, I
Udah mak setip.
Apa?
it was like,
Yeah.
it's more aggressive than baby. Sky, not Sky. I know Sage has been searching Dana.
Nggak tahu, aku suka dua-duanya. Aku betah banget di sini jujur. Kecuali di sini apa-apa serba mahal dan susah nyari toilet. Maksudnya kayak toilet gampang dan bersih, tapi aku kemana-mana harus bawa botol karena nggak ada air.
They were curlers.
Oh, should I order Uber now? Aku pesan Uber sekarang apa gimana? Sekarang aja kan? Ya udah guys, aku mau pesan Uber dulu ya. Bye bye.